Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's the Mads of San Diego, and today I'm gonna do an unboxing. So actually the person or my friend who gave me this didn't know that I already received this package from her, but I didn't tell her even if we're texting each other every day. I just want to surprise her that I already received this and I want to vlog because this friend is such a good friend to me, not only through YT but beyond YT. Although we met through YouTube world, but we've been so attached and close that I called her my long lost sister. So yeah, let's do the unboxing and you will find out who sent me this. She is the sweetest and she is really one of the most generous friend that I have in this community. So thank you for sending me this package. I know you've been so busy and you just came home from a vacation, so I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for this. So let's open what's inside. Okay, so she got me this towelette and it's from Hawaii because she just came back from her vacation in Hawaii. That's one, a cute towelette. Thank you. And then, oh, look at this chocolates. It's also, I think it's also from Hawaii and it's Island Princess with the dolphin. Look at the packaging. It's so nice. Very beautiful. Chocolate covered macadamia nuts. That's two. And then she got me, wow, she got me two face masks. And it's Gucci with a Mickey Mouse. And the other one is, yeah, it has a Mickey Mouse too. Those are so cute and very, very essential nowadays. So, face mask. Let's see what else she got me. Wow, it's a Honolulu cookie. So she really got good stuff from Hawaii. Thank you. And lastly, oh, I love this one. It's also from Hawaii and it's a bottle opener. This is so cute. And it's also, I think it's also a magnet. And she knows that I'm collecting magnets. So yeah, this is so cute. Okay, that's my little unboxing at this time. And it is from Debbie Bustamante, my very, very good friend Debbie. Thank you so much for this stuff. It really means so much to me by remembering me, and even if you are traveling, you still remember me by buying stuff from Hawaii. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to her channel. She is very, very generous and she's really a good friend of mine. So thank you, Debbie Bustamante, and to the rest of the Team Tunay family. Thank you all so much for all the support. And for all of you who's been watching this vlog, thank you for and supporting to the Mads of San Diego. Bye everyone. Find peace in your hearts. God bless us all. See you all tomorrow. Bye.